Making vanilla extract at home is so easy, and I know you guys have been waiting for this recipe from me for such a long time, and here it finally is. It takes a few ingredients and a bit of planning ahead, but it's simply unmatched in quality. Now, there are a couple things we can do to prepare first before we put everything together, and I want to begin with the types of bottles we're going to be using. So today I'm going to be using these bottles. Well, I'm actually going to be using the smaller one, and that is a 250ml or 8.5 fluid ounce bottle. It has a little clip on top, which I really love because it has a rubber bit at the end and that helps seal everything really nicely. Before you use these bottles, you want to make sure you clean them with just a couple drops of dishwashing detergent, some boiling water. Make sure that that bottle clears out completely under some running water. Let it dry completely before using it, and I mean like a couple days air dry. For the vanilla beans, these are the star of the show. I'm using bourbon vanilla beans, which are B grade. I bought mine on Amazon. You can buy these in lots of different places, but I found that just buying them online from a good place is the easiest way to get them. Good vanilla beans are going to be bendy and they're going to be kind of like shimmery and shiny. Ones that are snappy and hard are okay to use, but let's begin with the bendy ones. We're going to be using a sharp knife and holding one end of the vanilla bean on a chopping board. We're just going to split it in half. You want to make sure you split it completely in half. And just as a point of reference, can you see those little dot things in there? That's the vanilla beans. That's what's going to give us this gorgeous, really strong vanilla flavor. Now, I'm going to slice these in half again because they'll fit in the bottles that I'm using much easier. Today, I'm going to be using vodka, but if you don't want to use vodka, you can use glycerin. I'm not going to be using that. I've never used that before, but there's an alternative. Now, with the vodka, you want to make sure it has 40% alcohol content or that it's called 80 proof vodka. This is the kind of vodka you need for this recipe. It's a little bit more expensive, but in the long run, it's way cheaper to make your own. Vanilla extract, that is. Okay, we're ready to put these together. Our vanilla beans are sliced and cut in half. Pop them in there, 3 vanilla beans in total, like full vanilla beans per bottle. Then once you've got them in there, it's as simple as filling up the bottle with a little bit of a gap at top. Now, it would have been so much easier if I used a funnel for this, but I have no idea where my funnel has gone, so I just went slow and filled it and tried not to spill the vodka. Pop the lid on top, clip it nice and tight, and guys, 3 months later, you are going to end up with a nice, dark, amber coloured liquid, and that is your homemade, pure vanilla extract. It tastes amazing, it has a really strong flavour, which means you only need to use a little bit, and it's homemade. There's no nasties in there. I'm just going to label mine because I think it makes it look super cute and kind of like you got it from a market, except you made it yourself. And guys, this actually makes a really great gift. So if you're going to be doing a lot of baking, especially around Christmas, make this recipe, use it for your Christmas baking, gift it as Christmas gifts. I mean, homemade Christmas gifts are the best, right? If you want to grab the recipe with more information on how to make this at home, it's over on my website, thescranline.com. Thank you so much for being patient with me for getting this recipe out. If you have any more basic recipes you want to see me make, let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Here's some recipes you can use your new vanilla extract with. I'll see you all on the next episode of the Scran Line.